February just crushed Black Friday with tool discounts that'll make you question waiting until November. We're talking professional-grade equipment at prices that won't return anytime soon. Check the video description for direct deal links to grab these before inventory runs dry. Lowe's Power Tools and Drill Deals. Number 37. Cobalt XTR 24-volt half-inch brushless cordless hammer drill kit was $249, now $129, 48% off. This Cobalt XTR hammer drill delivers up to 1,200 inch-pounds of torque from a high-performance brushless motor. It features anti-kickback technology, a 2-speed gearbox with 24-position clutch, and quick select drilling modes. Complete kit includes a 4.0 amp-hour battery and charger. Number 36. Cobalt 24-volt half-inch keyless brushless cordless drill was $149, now $99, 34% off. This new generation Cobalt drill delivers serious power with up to 850 inch-pounds of torque thanks to its efficient brushless motor. The compact, lightweight build makes it easy to work in tight spaces while reducing fatigue on long jobs, and the soft, overmold grip improves comfort and balance. With a 2-speed gearbox reaching 2,000 RPM, a 23-position clutch, an all-metal Jacobs half-inch ratcheting chuck, LED work light, belt clip, auxiliary handle, and fast 85-watt charger, this is a professional-grade drill at a hard-to-ignore discount. Number 35. Dremel Blueprint 12-volt 1/4-inch keyless brushless cordless drill was $99, now $49.98, 50% off. This compact drill features a 12-volt brushless motor with built-in stud finder, detachable line laser, and bubble level. Perfect for modern DIYers with on-tool bit storage, LED lighting, and battery gauge. Space-saving and renter-friendly at half the original price. Number 34. DeWalt 20-volt max half-inch keyless cordless drill kit was $179, now $129, 28% off. This dependable all-rounder handles everyday drilling and fastening with 300 UWO of power. Features 2-speed transmission, half-inch ratcheting chuck, and compact lightweight build. The complete kit includes 2 batteries and a charger for immediate use. Number 33. Bosch 1/4-inch and half-inch 2.25 horsepower variable speed fixed base router was $219, now $169, 23% off. This workshop staple combines a 12-amp motor with electronic speed control from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. Features constant response circuitry, microfine depth adjustment, and precision centering. Perfect for joinery, edge profiling, and template work. Number 32. Craftsman V20 RP 20-volt max brushless variable speed cordless oscillating multi-tool was $129, now $99, 23% off. This versatile tool handles cutting, trimming, sanding, and plunge work across multiple materials. Brushless motor delivers variable speed up to 19,000 OPM with tool-free accessory changes. Features integrated LED and universal blade compatibility. Number 31. Craftsman V20 RP 20-volt max 7 1/4-inch brushless cordless circular saw was $189, now $99, 48% off. Brushless motor provides serious cutting power with stamped aluminum shoe and metal upper guard. Features 2 9/16-inch depth of cut, up to 56-degree bevel capacity, and LED cut line light. Versatrack compatible for organized storage. Number 30. Cobalt 24-volt 6 1/2-inch brushless cordless circular saw was $129, now $99, 23% off. Compact brushless design spins up to 5,500 RPM with left blade configuration for clear cut line visibility. Features quick depth adjustment, electronic brake, and durable aluminum construction. Up to 50-degree bevel capacity for versatile cutting. Number 29. Cobalt 24-volt brushless variable speed half-inch drive cordless impact wrench was $99, now $79, 20% off. Compact design delivers up to 250 foot-pounds fastening torque and 275 foot-pounds nut-busting torque. Features hand-tight and auto-slow control modes to prevent stripped threads. 3 speed settings with LED lighting for precision work. Number 28. Bosch 18-volt 4-amp half-inch drive brushless cordless impact wrench was $179, now $89, 50% off. Compact powerhouse delivers up to 3,500 impacts per minute with variable speed control. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it excels in tight spaces and overhead automotive work. Pro-grade Bosch quality with 5-year limited warranty. Number 27. Bosch 18-volt brushless variable speed top handle cordless jigsaw. Was $129, now $89, 31% off. The brushless motor delivers up to 3,300 strokes per minute for smooth curve cuts. 4 orbital action settings and variable speed dial for precision control. Tool-free blade changes with LED light and blower system. Number 26. Craftsman V20 20-volt max job site blower and power tool battery kit. Was $238, now $148, 38% off. Versatile blower runs on V20 battery for cordless use or plugs into AC outlet. Perfect for keeping job sites clean indoors and outdoors. Kit includes a power tool battery for extended runtime. Number 25. Pass load 2.5-inch 16-gauge cordless angled finish nailer. Was $419, now $339, 19% off. Fuel-powered combustion technology delivers consistent flush drives at just 4.5 pounds. Angled magazine provides excellent line of sight with precise depth control. Ideal for trim, molding, and detailed finish work. Number 24. Craftsman V20 brushless RP 23-gauge cordless pin nailer. Was $219, now $179, 18% off. Designed for delicate trim work with 23-gauge pins from 5/8 to 1 3/8 inches. A brushless motor ensures consistent performance with tool-free jam release. Integrated LED for accurate alignment on detailed projects. Number 23. Cobalt 24-volt variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw. Was $99, now $79, 20% off. Heavy-duty cutting power in compact one-hand friendly design for DIY and job site work. Variable speed trigger reaches up to 3,000 SPM for controlled cuts. Tool-free blade changes with built-in LED and a 5-year warranty. Number 22. DeWalt 20-volt variable speed cordless reciprocating saw kit. Was $259, now $219, 15% off. Compact 14.5-inch design fits between studs with 1 1/8-inch stroke length. Variable speed trigger delivers up to 2,900 SPM with 4-position keyless blade clamp. The complete kit includes battery, charger, and pivoting shoe. Number 21. Craftsman V20 RP 4.5-inch 20-volt max paddle switch brushless cordless angle grinder. Was $149, now $99, 34% off. High-efficiency brushless motors deliver up to 65% more power for demanding cuts and grinds. Paddle switch design improves safety with tool-free guard and 3-position handle. VersaTrack compatible with 3-year warranty. Number 20. Vevor 2200-watt 110-volt corded demolition hammer with 6 chisel bits. Was $215.99, now $184.05, 15% off. A powerful 2200-watt motor delivers up to 66 J of impact energy through concrete and masonry. Features high-strength alloy chuck with efficient cooling system and 360-degree adjustable handle. 6 chisels and carrying case included. Lowe's stationary tools and workshop equipment deals. Number 19. DeWalt 13-inch 15-amp benchtop planer. Was $769, now $669, 13% off. Powerhouse planer features 15-amp motor and 3-knife cutter head spinning at 10,000 RPM. 2-speed gearbox offers fast removal or fine finishing passes. Fan-assisted chip ejection and automatic carriage lock reduce snipe. Number 18. Craftsman 12.25-inch 15-amp benchtop planer. Was $379, now $329, 13% off. Reliable 15-amp motor drives 8,000 RPM cutter head, producing 16,000 cuts per minute. 2-knife quick-change solid steel cutter head ensures consistent performance. Stable 4-column elevation system with reversible high-carbon steel knives. Number 17. DeWalt 12-inch 15-amp dual-bevel sliding compound corded miter saw. Was $629, now $499, 21% off. Built for accuracy with robust 15-amp motor spinning at 3,800 RPM for clean cuts. Dual bevel design and precise miter system with oversized scale for quick adjustments. Dual steel rails with linear ball bearings and cam lock handle. Number 16. Fine Slugger 9-inch 15-amp worm drive metal cutting circular saw kit. was $449.95, now $379.95, 16% off. Professional metal fabrication saw cuts steel plate, pipe, and angle with 15-amp worm gear drive. Leaves workable edges while capturing chips and sparks for cleaner workspace. Bevel cuts to 45 degrees with integrated laser and electric brake. Number 15. Jet 14.5-inch by 40-inch variable speed wood lathe. Was $2,089, now $1,799.99, 14% off. Built for serious wood turners with sliding 360-degree pivoting headstock for maximum flexibility. Variable speed from 400 to 3,000 RPM with redesigned tool rest. Expandable capacity up to 60 inches between centers. Number 14. Delta 12.5-inch variable speed wood lathe. Was $1,197, now $997, 17% off. Compact MIDI lathe powered by 1 horsepower motor with industry-leading 250 to 4,000 RPM range. Large 12.5-inch swing capacity handles bowls and larger projects. Forward and reverse operation for ultra-smooth finishes. Number 13. Craftsman 63-inch long by 37.5-inch high 9-drawer rolling butcher block workbench. Was $998.46, now $649, 35% off. The heavy-duty workstation features 2/3-inch thick butcher block top and 9 soft close drawers. Each drawer supports up to 100 pounds with integrated power and USB charging. Reinforced locking casters rated for 1,500 pounds total load. Lowe's batteries, accessories, and tool sets deals. Number 12. DeWalt 2-tool 20-volt max combo kit with XR 20-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery. Was $398, now $318, 20% off. Flexible job-ready setup pairs 2 essential 20-volt max tools with XR 4.0 amp-hour battery. Includes contractor bag for organized transport and longer runtime. Dependable DeWalt performance for DIY and home improvement. Number 11. Cobalt 24-volt 2-pack lithium-ion batteries. Was $159, now $99, 38% off. Complete starter kit includes 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries and 85-watt fast charger for the entire 24-volt platform. Built-in power indicators keep you informed with a 3-year limited battery warranty. Eliminates downtime on cordless projects. Number 10. DeWalt 20-volt max 2-pack lithium-ion batteries. Was $299, now $179, 40% off. High-capacity batteries built for extended runtime on demanding jobs with consistent power delivery. Built-in LED fuel gauge for quick charge checks with full 20-volt max compatibility. Major productivity boost at exceptional value. Number 9. Craftsman V20 20-volt 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and charger kit. Was $159, now $99, 38% off. Premium-grade cells deliver improved power and longer cycle life across cordless lineup. Built-in 3 LED fuel gauge with fast charger that tops off compact batteries in an hour. Works across all V20 tools and platforms. Number 8. DeWalt XR Power Stack 20-volt 2-pack lithium-ion batteries. Was $219, now $159, 27% off. Advanced pouch cell technology delivers up to 50% more power with longer lifespan. Smaller, lighter design improves tool balance in tight spaces with rugged overmolded base. LED charge indicators with full 20-volt max compatibility. Number 7. DeWalt XR Power Stack 20-volt 2.0 pack lithium-ion batteries. Was $219, now $159, 27% off. These Power Stack batteries push up to 50% more output with advanced pouch cell technology. Compact design improves balance and control without sacrificing performance. Rugged construction with LED indicators for the entire 20-volt max platform. Number 6. Craftsman 140-piece impact driver bit set. Was $49.98, now $39.98, 20% off. All-in-one set handles drilling and driving from home improvement to outdoor projects. Shock-resistant tool steel with CNC machine tips reduces cam out under high torque. Durable hard case for organized storage and transport. Number 5. Spyder Mach Blue 25-piece quarter-inch impact driver bit set. Was $28.98, now $17.98, 38% off. Built for high torque abuse with impactive alloy steel torsion zones absorbing shock. Mach Blue tough tip technology lasts up to 70 times longer than standard bits. Versatile mix of 1-inch and 2-inch bits with magnetic holder. Number 4. DeWalt 5-piece oscillating multi-tool blade set was $52.98, now $29.98, 43% off. Covers cutting and scraping tasks from wood and drywall to metal with embedded nails. Durable bimetal construction offers long life in tough materials. Universal fitment with tool-free changes and tough case plus storage. Number 3. Vevor 116-piece SAE and metric tap and die set was $101.57, now $75.90, 25% off. The comprehensive threading set covers SAE and metric with 51 taps and 51 dies. High-hardness bearing steel with CNC machining and heat treatment for smooth, accurate threads. Multiple wrenches, pitch gauges, and extractors in portable cases. Number 2. Craftsman 10-piece metric mechanics tool set was $28.98, now $17.98, 38% off. Built for tight spaces with low-profile 3/8-inch drive, 72-tooth ratchet, and 5-degree arc swing. 6-point sockets deliver solid torque with full polished chrome finish resisting corrosion. Rugged blow-molded case with full lifetime warranty. Number 1. Latilli 899-piece SAE and metric mechanics tool set was $220.48, now $176, 20% off. This massive set covers small repairs and DIY tasks with durable forged steel construction. Polished chrome finish tools organized in a 4-layer aluminum trolley case that rolls easily. Built-in locking with smart organization for transport and storage. These February deals prove patience doesn't always pay off. Grab what you need now while stock lasts and prices hold. Hit subscribe to Valid Consumer so you never miss deals like these again.